is the part 5. Here in this video I'm going to discuss about exercise 2.2 and this is sets part 5. Okay, right. First question is, if set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, set B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A. Are they equal? Let us first find A intersection B. One, two, three, four. This set intersection this set. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection means what? What I told you, which example I gave you for intersection? Two straight lines, they cut at one single point. That single point is common to both the straight lines. This point is common to this line as well as this line. So keep that point in mind. No confusion. Intersection means it is a common. So the elements which are common to, see here this dot is common to both the lines. Similarly here, intersection of these two sets means we will get a new set in which the elements are common to both this one as well as this one. Same like this, as this point is common to both these two straight lines, here we get a new set in which the elements are common to both A and B. So this is equal to how much? Let us check now. Now we have to check common elements in both the sets. No, so 1 is common here. Yes, here it is there, here it is there. So 1 is common, right? 2 is common. Yes, 2 is common. 3 is common. Yes. 4 is common. No. Okay, here 5 is common. No. 6 is common. No. So what are the elements which are common here? Only 1, 2, 3. So what is A intersection B? A intersection B equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what is B intersection A? Let us check. B intersection A, this is equal to 1. First let us write set B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Intersection A. 1, 2, 3. So this is equal to, again same process. 1, choose 1 here. Is 1 there or not? Yes, it is there. 2 is here. 2 is there. Yes. So 2 is also common. 3 is there. Yes, 3 is here and also there. So 3 is also common for both the sets. 5 is there here. There 5 is there? No. So 5 is not common element. 6 is here. Is there 6? No. So only these three elements. What can be revealed from this one? Both of them are same. What are same? A intersection B or B intersection A. Both of them are same. So order is not important. In the case of intersection, which set comes first and which set comes second, it is not at all important. A intersection B or B intersection A, both of them are same, right? Next one is, see, A equal to 0, 2, 4. What he is asking? Find A intersection 5 and A intersection A. He is asking to comment us. Okay. First one, A intersection 5. This is equal to how much? Let us write 0, 2, 4. Intersection 5 means what? Null set. We can write like this. No? So now this is equal to. Now let us put brackets. Okay. Now let us first choose this element 0. 0 is there in this set. 0 is there in that set. No. So 0 is not common. 2 is there in this set. 2 is there in that set. No. 4. No. These three elements are not there. Is there any element? No, it is not there. No element is there. So we are not capable of writing any element here. So A intersection 5. What we are getting here? A intersection 5. This is equal to 5 only. A intersection 5 equal to. Therefore, A intersection 5 is equal to 5. Next, A intersection A. A intersection A. This is equal to how much? Let us check. Write down 0, 2, 4. Intersection again 0, 2, 4. So this is equal to. Okay. 0 is there here. We have to write common elements. No, common elements should be common for both the sets. Elements should be common in both the sets. 0 is there here, 0 is there. So, okay, 0. 2 is there here, 2 is there. 2. Okay, 4 is there here, 4 is there. So A intersection A equal to this much. What is this? This is equal to A itself. So every set, intersection of a set with itself is again the same set. So A intersection A equal to A only. Intersection of any set with a null set gives us what? We get again a null set. So keep these points in mind. So intersection of any set with a null set gives us null set only, and intersection of any set with itself gives us the same set, right? Next one is question number 3. Two sets are given to us A and B. We are asked to find A minus B and B minus A. Let us first find A minus B. A minus B equal to what? Let us write A first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 minus B. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. A minus B gives us a new set which contains elements of only A. Those should not be part of B at all. That is the case. So 2 is there in A, 2 is there in B? No. Let us write here. 4 is there in A, 4 is there? No. Write down here. 6 is there here, 6 is there? No. So we have to remove 6 here. So should not write 6. 8, there 8 is not there, write down. Here 10 is there 10 is not there, write down. So keep in mind, you are subtracting B from A means what, you know? You are subtracting B from A means you have to subtract the elements of B which are present in A. So here in this case, which element is present, which element of B is present in A? Only 6 is present in A. Only you can remove that element. See, we wrote all the elements here. Here in this element, from this element you can remove only 6 here. So we are getting this one. So this is A minus B. Right. Now let us find B minus A. Write down that one. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 minus 2, 4, 6, 10, 8. So this is equal to how much? Now this set minus that set. 3, there 3 is not there. So write down 3 here. 6 is there 6 is there. So remove 6. Here 9, write down 9. Here 12 is there it is not there, write down 12. Here 15 is there it is not there, so this is 15. So this is B minus A. So this is A minus B. A minus, what elements are there in A minus B? 2, 4, 8, 10. And what elements are there in B minus A? 3, 9, 12 and 15. Okay, right. So here it is very clear that A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay, A minus B and B minus A, both of them are not same. Next question. If A and B are two sets such that A is subset of B, then what is A union B? A union B means what? The set A and set B, they are coming together and forming an alliance. They are forming an union. Got it? A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B equal to 2, 3. Now what is A union B? Here it is very clear that B is subset to A, because all the elements, what is the definition of subset? Once again I am reminding you, if all the elements belongs to another set, if all the elements of a given set are there in another set, then this set is subset. Here B is the proper subset of A. The elements are same. If B is equal to A, then B is called as improper subset of A. If it is improper subset, we write like this: B subset are equal to A. Since this is a proper subset, we are writing like this. In the question also it is given like this, no? See here, that means A is the proper subset of B. So then in this case, what is A union B? Is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 union 2, 3. So this is equal to, union means all the elements combined into a single set. So now 1, 2 is there, 2 is there. No need to write 2 times. No need to not. Should not write 2 times. No repetition. No chance for repetition. 2, 3 is there. Write down. 4 is there. Write down. Now check. All the elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 2, yes it is here. This 3, yes it is here. Right? So what is A union B? This is A union B. This is equal to how much? This is again A. Question number 5. If A equal to x such that x is a natural number, b equal to x such that x is an even natural number, c equal to x such that x is an odd natural number, and d equal to x such that x is a prime number. Let us first find out A intersection B. What is this? X such that x is a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on like this. Intersection. What is B? X is an even natural number. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on like this. What are common here? Tell me. So A intersection B means intersection, common point. So here we have to consider common elements which are common to both these sets, set A as well as set B. One is common. See here. Let us check this one. Here 1 is not there. Odd numbers are not there. So here all numbers are there. 1, 2, 3 odd numbers are there. Even numbers are there. So there only even numbers are there. So what are common here? Only see here. 1 here it is there. It is not there. 2 here it is there. There it is there. Write down 2. Similar 3 here it is there. It is not there. So no need to write. So should not write here. Next 4 here it is there. There also. Similarly 6. Similarly 8 and so on. So A intersection B, what you are getting here? We are getting again even natural number. This is a subset of this. Is it not? This is subset of this. If it is very clear, if B is a subset of A, then A intersection B is equal to how much? B only. Suppose this is A, this is B. Which region is common to both of them? Only this region. So got it? So always if such type of questions are asked, you can keep such type of diagrams in mind. So okay, A is a big set, superset, and B is just a subset. So which is common? That small part is common to both of them, not large part, no? Right. So using that knowledge, now tell me, this is over. Now A intersection C. See A intersection C. X such that x is a natural number. What is C here? Odd natural number. Which is subset of which here? This is C is a subset of A. This implies A intersection C equal to what? Tell me now. C is a in the previous example also you have checked. So if one set is a subset to another set, then their intersection gives us what? That subset only. So with that knowledge, let us write now this one. Now here it is very clear. C, it is odd number set, odd natural numbers, and C is a subset to A, clear? No, okay. Now A intersection C, this A intersection C. So what is common for this set and this set? Odd natural numbers. So A intersection C is what? C only from our knowledge. A intersection C equal to C. Got it? Yes. So simply you can write this one. So now what is A intersection C? This is equal to C. Okay. Here what is A intersection B? Previously A intersection B equal to B only. Now let us check. What is A intersection D here? A intersection D. See, X is a prime number. You know. Now D equal to what? All prime numbers. 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. So let us start from 2. 2 is a prime number. 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Now it is very clear that this D set is a subset of A or not. A is having all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. All natural numbers. So it is very clear that D is subset of A This implies A intersection D equal to what from our previous knowledge? A intersection D equal to D only. So what is the answer here? Answer is A intersection D is nothing but it is D only. Now let us check B intersection C. See B and C, B intersection C. Now tell me, what is this set here? All even natural numbers. And what is set C is having? All odd natural numbers. So what is common for both of them? One set is having complete even numbers, another set is having complete odd numbers. Any common thing is there? No, nothing is common. So what type of sets are those? They are example for disjoint sets. Here, what is this? B intersection C. B and C, these are disjoint sets. See here, for example, this is set A, this is set B. Set A, 1, 2, 3, 3 elements are there. In set B, 2 elements are there, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Are they common sets? Are they any joint sets? What type of sets are these? These are disjoint sets. Is there anything common for both these sets? Nothing is common. Even single element is not common. So what is intersection? Nothing is there. So B and C, these are disjoint sets here. Here B and C are disjoint sets. So there is nothing common for disjoint sets. Example, A and B are disjoint sets. So A intersection B means what you will write here? 5 is not common, 2 is not common, 3 is common, 3 is not common, 4 is not common, 5 is not common. So if we consider two disjoint sets, their intersection is 5 set, null set. So B and C are disjoint sets. Therefore, what you are getting here? B intersection C is null set 5. Then what about B intersection D? See, B even natural numbers and D is it is a prime numbers. So here even natural numbers. Here in prime numbers, any even numbers are there? Only one even number is there. What is that? In prime numbers, only 2. All other prime numbers are odd numbers only, except 2. See here, this set is having what type of elements? Even natural numbers. So is there any element common for this set and D set here? Yes. What is that? Only 2. So simply what is the answer? That set is 2. What is that? B intersection D is 2. B intersection D equal to what? 2. C intersection D. Now let us consider C. Odd natural numbers, all odd natural numbers, and D prime numbers. C equal to what? Numbers like this. Odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. Then what about D? D equal to it's a prime number, no? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. etc. Now C intersection D equal to what? 1 is not common. Let us check this one. 1 is there here? No. So it is not common. Next, 3 is there here? Yes, 3 is there. Write down. 5 is common. 3 is common. 5 is common. 7 is common. Next, 11 is common. 13. Here 15 is there. 15. 17, 19, etc. Okay, here 15 is not there, 17, 19, and so on like this. All these are prime numbers. What are missing? Here between 13 and 17, 15 is missing. 15 is missing. So here some odd numbers can be missed, but prime numbers, all prime numbers will come in this set. No, because all prime numbers are odd numbers only. this is the set of all prime numbers except 2. 2 is missing here, so all prime numbers will be coming here. Okay, this is a set of all prime numbers except 2. Now I have to find a minus b. First one, a minus b. So simple. What is a? So again, no need to write here. This is a. From this set, what you are taking? You are removing this set. So how we can remove? If the elements of this set are there in this set, those elements only we can remove. Subtraction means if you are removing one set from another set, what we are doing actually, if those elements of this set, if they are there in this set, then only we can remove them from this set. Okay, right. Now let us check here. Here 3 is not there. Okay, here 6 is not there. Write down 6. All other elements should be retained. Only if in this set, if any elements of this set are present, remove them. Write remaining all these elements here. 3, 6, 9 is there. There it is not there, so you can write 9. Here 12, there 12 is there, so don't write 12. Here 15 is there. There 15 is not there. Write down 15. Here 18, there it is not there. Write down 18. Here 21, there it is not there, so write down 21. This is a minus b. Next, a minus c. A minus c. A minus c. Similarly. So it is clear now. If these elements are there, you can remove them. Very fast we can do, So 3 it is not there here. Write down. 6 it is there here, so don't write 6. 9 it is not there. Write down 9. 12 it is there. Don't write 12. 15 is not there. Write down 15. 18 it is not there. Write down 18. 21 it is not there. Write down 21. Simple. Next, a minus d. What is a minus d? A minus d set. Same logic. 3. So if any of these elements are there here, remove only those elements. No. So 3 is not there. So write down 3. All other elements should be retained. Okay. All other elements should be retained. So 3 is there. 6 is not there. So write down 6. Here 9 is there. There it is no. 9. 12 here. There no. 15 here. There 15 is also there. So don't write. 18 here. There it is not there. 21 here. It is not there. So write down 21. Next, b minus a. B minus a. So we should write the elements of b now. If any elements of a are there in b, just remove them. Let us check here. B 4 is there. 4 is not there here, so I can write. 8 is not there. Write down. Next, 12 is there. Don't write. 16 is not there here. Write down. 20, it is not there here, so write down. Next, 5, c minus a. Okay, now c minus a. 2 is there in c but not in a, so write down. 4 is there in c but not in a, so write down. 6 is there in c, also in a, don't write. 8 is there in c, not in a, write down. 10 is there in c, not in a, write down. 12 is there in c, also there in a, don't write. 14 is there in c, not there in a, write down. 16 is there in c but not there in a, write down. Next, sixth one, d minus a. D minus a. Here 5 is there, here it is not there, so write down. Here 10, here it is not there, write down. Next element 15, here it is there, so don't write. Here 20, here it is not there, so write down. Next, 7, b minus c. B minus C. 4 is there in B, also there in C, don't write 4. 8 is there in B, here also it is there, don't write. 12 is there in B, here also it is there, don't write. 16 is there in B, here also it is there. Only 20 is there in B, here it is not there. So it is a single element set. So B minus C equal to set of only this one, 20. Next, 8th one, B minus D is B minus D. Now we have to remove elements of D if there are any in B, set B. 4 is there in B, it is not there in D, so write down. 8 is there in B, not in D, write down. 12 is there in B, not there in D, write down. 16 is there in B, not in D, write down. 20 is in B, 20 is in D also, so remove it. Next, 9th one, C minus B. Did you notice one thing? It is easy to remove big set from small set. See here, D minus A. D minus A. It's very simple, no? We have to consider only these 4. A minus D means you have to consider all these. Okay? So always expect to subtract the smaller set from larger set. Right. Now C minus B. C minus B, big set minus small set. Okay. 2 is there in C, not there in B. So let us write 2 here. 4 is there here, it is also there, so don't write 4. 6 is there here, it is not there, write down 6. 8 is there here, also there, don't write. 10 is there here, it is not there, so write down. 12 is there, it is also there, don't write. 14 is not there, write down. 16 is there, 16 is there, so you are subtracting 16, so only these elements are there. Next, last one, D minus B. D is smaller one, B is somewhat larger. Okay, of course both of them are almost equal, no? Only 4 elements and 5 elements there, so not much of use. So 5 is there in D, it is not there in B, write down 5. 10 is there in D, not there in B, write down 10. 15 there in D, not there in B, write down 15. 20 there in D, here it is also there, so remove 20. I think you got clear idea regarding subtraction. The last question is question number 7. State whether each of the following statements is true or false. Justify your answers. First one is set 2, 3, 4, 5 and set 3, 6. These are disjoint sets. True or false? 3 is common, so this is false. And what about this one? A, E, I, O, U, A, B, C, D. See here, A is there, A is common. So this is also false. 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint sets he is telling. Is this true or no? So no element is common, no? True. So what is the reason he is asked? He is telling you justify your answers. 2 is here, it is not there. 6 is there here, 6 is not there here. Here 10 is there, here 10 is not there. Here 14 is there, here 14 is not there. Completely these elements are different, those elements are different. So these are disjoint sets. So this is true only. Then what about this one? 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11. See, 2 is not there here, 6 is not there here, 10 is also not there here. So this is also true. These are disjoint sets. Got it, guys?